I told my little sister that I got a present for her. Hey guys, so I just went to the Louis Vuitton store to get some belt today because I forgot my belt. So I'm gonna get something today. I don't know yet, but let's see what will I get today. Yeah, I'm at elevator of Louis Vuitton.
Oh, and then this one actually.
Oh, but there's no LV buckle?
With LV buckle, that one.
Yeah. Sometimes I want this in the brown.
This is so, it's we had this one for such a long time.
Oh, so it's from a long time ago?
Yeah, but it changed the color here.
I think, can I try the size 95?
95? For this one?
Yeah, what do you think? I don't know actually.
Because this one you're using the last one, right? You can't lose weight. I want you to come here. Actually, it's put some cuffs, but you don't need to put like this one. We can order just a simple one too. So.
But this size is perfect.
I know. That's what kind of you want, right?
Yeah.
Museum?
No.
It's not the Louvre Museum, but the Orsay Museum is a very big one. And he designed the chair, and it's just a huge.
He's Japanese, right?
He's a Japanese artist.
So here's the receipt of my brand new Louis Vuitton that I got from Ginza, Tokyo. I'm so excited to unbox it, and this is the name of it. And also the price is 64,800 yen, which is about almost 600 US dollars. So let's open it. My favorite monogram in black. This is actually Eclipse. If you want to know if the Louis Vuitton is real or fake, just zoom it like this. There. So, Louis Vuitton belt, it's reversible. Oh, there's a fingerprint of mine already. So if I just want to be a very simple guy, I'll just do it this side. And if I want it to be a little extraordinary, I'll do it this side, but I can actually this because it's reversible. it's really beautiful. I like the buckle, it's not that too shiny. And it's size 90. And that is the date code of AC0129. It's 2019 because the second number and the fourth number says 19, means 2019, and 02 is, it means February, and AC means it's from Spain, so it's made in Spain, as you can see here. And the stitches of it, it's very nice. I'm obsessed with this monogram in black. I also bought look, it has monogram black at the back and monogram brown in front of it. And these are really cute. Look, they're all the same, they're all monogram in black. I want more, like I want to buy black monogram wallet and black monogram watch, and I'm so excited. And maybe a trunk where I can put my golds, jewelries, watches, etc.